We have here a 1-year sales projection. Here, the other month's sales amount are depends on the sales in the January, the first month's sales. Sometimes we want to know the maximum projection and the minimum projection from the first month. We can manually do it creating other version of the sheets, but the scenario manager creates for us different group of value or scenario, and we can switch between the result of the scenarios. Now let's create 3 scenarios for these sales projections. Let's create standard, high sale and low sale scenario. To define these 3 scenarios, go to data, what if analysis, and click scenario manager. Let's give it a name. Let's call its the first scenario standard, and the changing sale will be sales. Changing sales will be the sale, shipping, and goods. You can click comma and select the goods and click OK. And click OK also. And let's create another scenario for optimistic sales. Let's call it max, maybe high sale, and the changing sale would be first one would be, we can set this down 800,000. This is optimistic, so let's make it 800,000. The shipping will be also 140,000. 140,000. This, let's make it 140 and 30, and the cost of goods is decreased to 700,000, and click OK. Now let's create the first scenario, the option, that is the pessimistic sales option. Let's call it say low sale, and change the sales to be the sale should be less. Let's make it 500,000, and the shipping to be 110,000, and the costs of good became increased and set to 980,000, and click OK. Now we have this scenario, and we can show and one by one and observe the change on the profit. As you see, we can show the change, can dock the created scenarios in the quick access toolbar. Let's close this. To do that, go to the quick access toolbar, and here more commands, select the all commands option, and here we have down we have scenario. Let's add it and click OK. Now we dock it now. Now we have these three scenario managers.